One of the biggest things that holds somebody up from recording videos is not having an outline. They don't know what to say on video. So in today's video, I'm going to talk to you how I structure and outline every single video that we create for educational purposes. Hey guys, my name's Ryan Weber and I help business owners with their video and content marketing. And today we are going to dive into the issue of not knowing what to say on camera. You have a ton of information up here in your brain, but you just don't know how to put it out there to your clients. Educational videos work. We all know this. We've been told over time that you have to continuously put out content to help market your business in today's new marketing world. And the problem is you just don't know what to say on camera. So today I'm going to give you a simple outline that you can follow to put out educational videos every single day for your clients. The very first thing is the hook. Your hook is the most important part of your video. And really what it is reiterating what they clicked on that you are going to deliver on the promise that you said you're going to in the title of your video. Nobody wants a clickbait in their title. They want to make sure they're getting what they actually clicked on. So in that opening line, you are going to let them know they are indeed in the right place. Here's the problem that you have, and yes, I am here to help you solve it with step 1, 2, and 3, whatever you want to say. So the simple way to think about it is, I am telling you this is the problem you have. I am here to help you solve it. You are in the right place. Let's get on with the video. The hook can be super short. It can be super quick. You just have to make sure you let them know what it is that you're going to be solving for them. After the hook, I always like to do an intro. It's really good repetition to let people know who you are and what you do. You just want to get in that good systematized, I am this person and this is what I do, because now every time they hear your name, they know what they can associate you with. So let's say you are an attorney. My wife is an attorney and she says, hi, my name's Tiffany Weber, a real estate attorney here in Mooresville, North Carolina. Now, every single time someone hears her name, they associate Tiffany Weber is a real estate attorney. So they know what they get with that person. I love saying it right at the beginning of the video, so you always get that repetition of who you are and what you do. After your intro, now it's starting to get into the problem. The question you need to answer is, what problem does this person have that I'm gonna help them solve? There's some reason or something that they typed into the internet that they needed help solving, and that's what you're here to do. So you want to make sure that you're elaborating on what that problem is. You are suffering from this. This is the reason that you're going through that problem. It might keep you up at night and you're now doing XYZ because you can't solve that problem. You just want to dive into that problem to make sure, like, yes, I am emotionally connected to this video. And now, because I've let you know I know what your problem is, I'm here to help you solve that problem. Typically, I like to take 60, maybe 90 seconds to dive into that problem. It doesn't have to be that long if your video is going to be shorter, but some sort of elaboration rather than just restating the problem. You want to dive down in there a couple, 2 or 3 different layers just to make sure you really get that emotional connection with your audience. After you've talked about that problem, you're going to give them the solution. You talked about all of these things that they're struggling with. This is things that they fear, things that they can't figure out. Well, now you're here to give them advice, specific advice that they need to solve that issue. I love doing it in steps. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Here's your 3 tips, 5 tips, 15 tips, doesn't matter, but I love a systematized process for someone to follow along. If you kind of look at this video, I'm kind of doing the same thing. I'm giving you the beginning, the middle, the end of how your video should be structured. So there is a systematized way that you're delivering your information. You don't just have to go out and regurgitate a bunch of information. You can give short, very specific, concise, actionable items for somebody to go and take action on when they're listening to your solution, rather than just a bunch of random information. Once you've given them your solution and you've made sure that it is actionable steps that they can indeed follow, you are now going to go into the benefit. So what is it that that person's gonna feel emotionally, especially if you can get that, because they implemented your solution? This is always going to relate back to that problem. So for this video's example, because I'm helping you with your video structure, because I'm giving you a very specific and simple video structure, you can now go and record videos all the time, consistently. You're not gonna have any fear about what to say. You're gonna have a very easy structure that you can follow, so now you can create an outline and create consistent videos for your business. All you know is that's gonna help your marketing, you know that's gonna help you get more leads, and you know that's gonna help your business ultimately grow. That sentence right there, it's not a sentence. That paragraph right there really helped tie everything together and make you feel connected to this video. You know, because of what I said, if you implement my strategies, you are now going to go and get what you're looking for because you were seeking the emotional benefit of creating consistent video content. You just didn't know what to do. So the final layer to this video structure is to create an outro, and this is your simple call to action. This is what you want them to do. This is where you can give them some sort of low barrier offer, give them very simple instructions of what to do next. I love when you're asking for some sort of engagement to comment below with something or other. It all just depends on what your call to action is that you're looking for someone to do. So for this video, my call to action is go ahead and comment below if this was helpful. If it was, just give me a thumbs up emoji or give me how it's gonna help you in your business. But that is it. That is the video structure you can use to create educational videos consistently in your business. Remember, you have the hook, you have the intro, then you dive into the problem, you give them your specific solutions, and then give them the benefits that it is going to help them, and finish it up with a call to action. Remember, my name's Ryan Weber. Comment below your business that you're in or give me a thumbs up if this was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next video.